Yeah, that's really cool. Your car backs into a parking space while you're just standing next to it using your smartphone. Feels a little bit like, hey kid, park the car for me. Parking, of course, is no problem for me at all, but there may be some days you might just don't feel like parking. Then the automatic park assist will be your friend. So, Sabrina, the most important question, when can we buy this?
Well, this product will be available in the market probably 2015.
So we have to wait maybe 2 more years till we can use it. But can you explain me how this actually works?
Well, it's pretty easy. I just downloaded an app on my iPhone and I just pushed the button. And as soon as I push it, the car moves. And when I don't push it anymore, it stops.
So you have got the total control over the car all the time?
Exactly.
Okay. So maybe if you had the chance to use it, where would you use it?
Well, I think I would use it if I try to park in a really tight and small parking lot and maybe in a really small garage where I can't get out otherwise.
Ah, sounds good. So as you see, parking will become a lot more easier in the future. So thanks for answering our questions, and we go parking now.